Okay, this is my computer, and when I try to start it, this is what happens. You can hear that noise. This will just keep on happening, and the thing is, it will not detect the modem or it won't start. I don't know if this is a RAM problem or something. The fan seems to be working, so I don't really know what's going on. Everything is attached.